Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Seedley Terrace in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. As you can see, it's got a driveway for several cars. Just take you round to the rear of the property, through the ginnel. It's got a lovely mature garden. It's got a lot of potential. As we head inside the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. You'll note that the property is in need of modernisation throughout, but would be a great family home for someone who's looking to put their own stamp on a property. As we head into the lounge, you'll notice it's a really good sized space with a bay window as well. Then we head on towards the rear, to the dining room, which leads on through to the fitted kitchen. Property benefits from being just a short walk from Buille Hill Park, close to local amenities, along with being within easy access of local school into. Head upstairs. First right, we have this nice modern wet room. Then we have the second bedroom, which is a large double with fitted furniture. Then towards the front, we have the third bedroom, again with fitted furniture. And then we have the large main bedroom. Property benefits from being within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester as well. This would be an ideal first time home or investment. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.